Salutations, YouTube. It's your boy Rookie Stacker, and I got some things I want to talk about. Shout out to Synaxis of the 70 because he brought this to my attention. I had heard about it, but I didn't pay too much attention to it because, there's always going to be like propaganda and there's always going to be like people trying to push certain agendas in precious metals. So let's just talk about like why you should stack, right? Precious metals are not the type of investment that's going to grow your money at a rapid pace in a short period of time. I mean, really, it's the type of investment that may not grow your money at a rapid pace over a long period of time. When you buy precious metals, what you're trying to do is you're trying to preserve your wealth at its current state as safely as possible. Okay, so what I mean by that is the value of the dollar is going to go down, and we've seen how that can go. Savings accounts inside of banks will yield you 0.01% interest, which is next to nothing. And at the rate that the dollar falls, fiat currency, along with what you get from an interest savings account at, say, Chase or Wells Fargo, Bank of America, wherever you bank, you're losing more money by keeping your wealth there. When you come to precious metals, you convert fiat dollars for these things right here, silver, or maybe you get some gold. And what you're saying is the rate that precious metals trade at is a safer hedge against inflation than just keeping my money in fiat form. So that's what you're saying. And I guess right now there are a lot of channels who are pushing this agenda that by buying precious metals in large quantities, we can affect the spot price. Well, that's not the case. Okay? Now, I was not a part of the GameStop run-up, but I was a small part of the AMC run-up. I bought 100 shares of AMC at $6 per share. So I spent $600 and bought 100 shares of AMC. I told myself that if another squeeze happens, just to be safe, I'm going to sell at double my money. AMC doubled to 12. I sold. And then obviously it continued to go all the way up to like 38, 37 or something like that per share. Now, it was easy for me to say or to feel like I missed out. Super easy for me to feel like I missed out because I sold at 12. I left a whole lot of profits on the table. But what was happening with GameStop and with AMC and other stocks like that was something that hadn't happened before. It was in those uncharted territories where I felt safer just taking my profits. For some reason, there are people that think that by doing these silver raids on a particular date, everybody goes out and buys a bunch of silver. That's going to affect the spot price. That is not true. The spot price of precious metals has way more complexity than the the share price of a stock, or even than the trading price of a cryptocurrency. Okay? What we buy it for is on a long list of costs that are associated with precious metals. For example, how much it costs to get this out of the ground, how much it costs to transport it to a a location that where it can be refined and produced into these forms that we would ultimately buy it in. Then it goes to a dealer where another shipping cost gets, is laid in there. And then from that dealer, you have taxes and you have buy premiums. The spot price of silver and gold has nothing to do with how much we buy it. Physically, when we go out to our coin shop and we buy $1 million worth of silver, that's not going to make the spot price go up. So for all of these things, all of these channels who are promoting this raid that's supposed to happen, please do not participate in something like that unless you just absolutely want to, knowing that that is not going to affect the spot price of silver. There's no moonshot here. This is a savings account. This is if you can buy low enough, maybe if you want some quick profits, you can sell for just a small profit. There's no such thing in this where you're going to buy one of these at one price and immediately get rich by selling it at another price. It's just not the way it works. Now, I do buy things to flip. I absolutely buy things to flip. I bought these Royal Canadian Mint bars to flip. I knew as soon as I bought them, I wasn't going to have them long. Okay, because I bought them at a price where it's like, okay, I can get something out of it if I flip it. So I do buy things to flip. But there's nothing I can buy short of finding like a holy grail coin that's rare or something like that, which is a 1 in however many million chance. There's no moonshot here. This is all preservation. This is all savings account. This is all quick flips for just small gains that maybe you can put into something else. There is no, and I hesitate to even say that because I don't want people to think that, you just, you go out and you can flip and turn this into a business. You wouldn't be able to live off of quick flipping precious metals because stackers are smart. Stackers want low prices. You know what I mean? Stackers dollar cost average over time. So even if they buy high, they're still not paying a certain amount over spot. But with that said, there's no moonshot here. So everybody talking about this raid and the promotion of this raid, just understand there are plenty of channels out here that give great information and they've been doing this for a long time and they know what they're talking about. Okay, Empire Precious Metals made a video yesterday about it. Salivate Metal made a video about it. How much we buy from our coin dealers or from our whatever, I buy from private sellers, so there's absolutely no way anybody would know that I bought anyway in terms of affecting spot price. It's not going to affect the spot price, guys. Don't fall into that trap, okay? The best way for you to buy precious metals is to find the best price that you can and dollar cost average consistently. Buy silver, buy gold, buy platinum, whatever it is that you buy it over a consistent amount of time at whatever price it might be trading at, right? That you feel comfortable with buying it, and just buy consistently. Stack responsibly, okay? There is no moonshot here. If spot is low, buy some, nibble, right? If spot goes lower, you'll feel a lot better knowing you didn't lose a bunch of money at once. Yes, babe. Oh, you fell outside? Oh, okay. You got an owie? Yeah, my daughter had a rough week, guys. She was with my wife, fell into a bush, and got a bunch of scratches on her face. But anyway, she's doing okay. She's not in any type of pain or anything like that. She just likes to remind us that she fell. But yeah, there's no moonshot here, guys. I just want everybody to stack responsibly. Dollar cost average over time, over the long term, that's where you're going to make the majority of your money. I bought these with the intention of selling them almost immediately, so these are for sale, but I'm not making hardly anything off of it. I really just bought them because I could get them at a good price, and then I'm going to sell them because there's something else that I want, so I just know that these are I mean, in high demand, you know, the majority of the time. But there's no moonshot here. I'm not about to make a whole bunch of money on this. I'm going to make just a couple of dollars off of each one. So please understand, precious metals are a little bit less of that growth investment that you're looking for. You know, like if you want a moonshot, you got to try to time the market in a stock or in a crypto, and maybe you get one, and it's risky, right? If you invest in precious metals, spot price has been down the last, you know, what, 6 days, right? Maybe even a little more. But it's not down at the point where a lot of people are losing a huge amount of money. This is all about preservation, safety, where to put your assets. Gold dropped down to, I think, like 1850, and then it bounced, you know, so it's holding strong so far, right? Silver today was what, 22.79 or something like that. I think it's trading at 22.79. Okay, so it's holding. Maybe it'll drop. Maybe it'll go back up. I don't know. All I know is it's about preservation. You're not losing as much as you would if you were keeping fiat. Okay? So that's my video. Don't pay attention to these raids. Okay? Do your own research, do your due diligence, the due diligence that comes along with being a stacker. If you need to buy some silver right now, go find a good price. For example, I am selling these Royal Canadian Mint bars for $28. Okay, $28 for one if you buy one. $28 per ounce. I'm sorry, $28 per ounce. So that's $280 per bar for one. If you buy more than one, I'll drop to 27. So $27 per ounce, 270 per bar if you buy more than one. And that does not include shipping, so shipping will be an extra cost. But yeah, if you want to buy some silver, you're welcome to buy these bars. Otherwise, go online or go to your local coin shops, go to your private sellers, and buy some at a good price, that's responsible, a smart price, a smart amount. There's no such thing as a raid that's going to drive the spot price up. That doesn't exist, okay? It's all about preserving your wealth. So that's my video, y'all. Remember, please stack responsibly. Don't believe everything you hear. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. It's your favorite rookie stacker and your favorite rookie stacker's daughter. Hey, Brooks. Brooks, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Stack responsibly, y'all. Rookie Stacker out.